In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders in Wix dashboard. By the end, you'll feel confident finding your orders, understanding what each detail means, updating statuses as you fulfill, and keeping customers informed every step of the way. First, open your browser and head to wix.com. Sign in, and on the My Sites page, choose the store you want to manage. If you run multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the one with your online store enabled, so all the commerce tools appear. Once you're in, click Dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Everything from orders to products to payments lives here. And we'll focus on the orders area. Look to the left sidebar and select orders. You'll see a clean list of all incoming and past orders. At a glance, you can spot order numbers, dates, totals, and current status. Use the search bar to find a specific order quickly, or apply filters like date range or status to focus on what needs your attention today. By the way, since this is a website, I've placed a direct link to Wix at the top of the description so you can click through easily when you're ready. Click any order to open its details. Here you'll see the customer's contact information, the items they purchased with quantities and variants, the payment status, and the shipping method and destination. Take a moment to review this carefully. Confirm that the address looks correct, that the items match what you'll pack, and that payment has been captured or authorized based on your setup. You'll also see a timeline of activity, which helps you track what's happened so far. As you begin fulfillment, update the order status. Set it to processing when you've started preparing the order, move it to shipped once it leaves your hands, and mark it completed after everything is delivered and finalized. If your shipping carrier provides tracking, add a tracking number when you mark it as shipped, so your customer can follow progress. Accurate statuses keep your workflow organized and reduce support questions. From the order details page, you can communicate with your customer directly. Send an order confirmation, shipping update, or a quick message if you need clarification, all right from this screen. Keep your tone friendly and clear, and include essential details like estimated delivery windows or any substitutions the customer agreed to. Keeping messages centralized in Wix helps you maintain a neat record of the conversation. That's all. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.